What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed's Love of Cars. So this video is going to be a little bit different than my typical video. The reason why is I'm going to do this video not on one of the cars that you normally see. I'm going to do it on my quote-unquote daily driver that I haven't even had that long. And the reason why I'm doing it because, yeah, you can get these foreign cars, the little cheap lower cars. You can get them pretty cheap. But sometimes it's true what they say, that you get what you pay for. And I'm going to tell you what I'm talking about. Now, I bought this car used, so it is what it is. But it's only a 2017, so the car is only 3 years old. So what I'm talking about is my Kia Forte. It's a 2017 Kia Forte. I think it has like 45,000 miles on it. Now, when you look at it far up, far back, you're like, yeah, woo, 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 it's a good car. It look clean, and it's decent. But watch, as we get closer, look at that. The clear coat is already coming off of a 3-year-old car on the door handles. Coming off right there too. Now, mechanically, the car has been great. I ain't had it that long, but mechanically the car is great, so I can't say nothing about that. But this is highly irritating because paint jobs ain't cheap. Look, clear coat. It's already all the way off right there. And this wasn't even like that when I bought the car, which is odd. So this happens like recently. The only thing I can think of is because this car sits outside, and maybe the previous owner, it was their garage car. Door handle, clear coat, whoop whoop whoop. I don't know what that is. And then, if you come over here, again, this is a 3-year-old car. This I knew, but I wasn't too concerned about that because I can clean this up. I just hadn't got around to it yet. But look at this headlight. It's cracked, which I don't think that was there when I bought it. But it's already turning yellowish in the 3rd year. That doesn't make any sense to me for a 3-year-old. My Jeep Compass was fine, and that's a cheap American car, and I didn't have no issues with the paint getting jacked up in that short period of time. In fact, I had it since 2008, and I recently sold it last year. I traded it in, and the paint was still fine except for crap that I did. Look, on the mirror, this is a mess. So eventually this car is going to have to get painted. Yeah, but this is the kicker. Look at that right there. Now the thing about this spot is, I don't know if you can see it. I can't see it because there's a glare. But this looks like someone had already tried to correct, because you can see where it looked like there's been some paint correction. So in less than 3 years, this had started messing up, and they tried to fix it. That amazes me, folks. It amazes me. And then if you come down here, this I knew too, so I'm not really bitching about that, but I'm just gonna mention it because I still need to take these, because I can easily fix this, and I knew it when I bought it. The wheels on a 3-year-old car, these are just regular Steelies, but they don't come painted. And because they don't come painted, all 4 of them are rusted. But like I said, that's an easy fix. I ain't worried about that. I just ain't got around to doing it. In fact, I might do that this weekend. I need to show this car some love. But yeah, these stay parked most of the time, especially now. There's really no reason to jump into it. I get in this one when I go use those. She gets in this one to keep the battery from running down. We just don't drive them that much. We jump in. We jump in the Kia. So it's not a bad car. You know, it's a decent car. But that paint thing, that's quality. That kind of rubs me. That kind of rubs me. Rubs me the wrong way. Like I said, the car only has like 45,000 miles on it, so I have no mechanical issues. But, you know, what's going to happen at 50? What's going to happen at 60? If the paint is already coming off at 45? You know, I don't know. But anyway, that's all I want to say on this video. Let me know what you think. If you got one of these, let me know if you having the same problems in the comments below. This your boy Jay Reed's Love, of course, signing off.